Hi everyone, welcome back to Cause Health Hub, where we explore the best tips and tricks for a healthier life. Today we are diving deep into one of the most versatile superfoods out there, which is chia seeds. These tiny seeds have been used for centuries, but what exactly happens if you make them a part of your daily diet? Could these little chia seeds truly live up to their hype? Stick around to discover the powerful benefits of eating chia seeds every day, along with some things to watch out for. Before we dive into the benefits, let's take a quick look at where chia seeds come from. Chia seeds are native to Central America and were a staple in the diets of the ancient Aztecs and Mayans. In fact, chia is the ancient Mayan word for strength. These seeds were revered not just as food but also for their medicinal properties. They were believed to provide long-lasting energy, which is why they were often consumed by warriors before going into battle. Fast forward today, and chia seeds have become a popular superfood worldwide thanks to their incredible nutritional profile. Now guys, let's talk about what's inside these tiny powerhouses. Chia seeds are incredibly nutrient dense. Just 2 tablespoons or about 28 grams provide approximately 137 calories, 11 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein and 9 grams of fat, of which 5 grams are omega-3 fatty acids. Oh my god. This is insane. They are also packed with essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. But that's not all. Chia seeds also contain antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. It's amazing how much nutrition you can get from just a small serving. So guys, number one benefit is improved digestive health. One of the first benefit you will notice when you start eating chia seeds every day is an improvement in your digestive health. The high fiber content in chia seeds, about 10 grams per ounce, plays a crucial role in promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. When chia seeds are soaked in liquid, they absorb up to 10 times their weight, forming a gel-like substance that helps keep your digestive system moving smoothly. This process not only aids digestion but also helps regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the conversion of carbohydrates into sugar. If you have been struggling with digestive issues, chia seeds could be the natural remedy you have been looking for. Number second benefit is heart health and omega-3 fatty acids. Next up, let's talk about heart health. Chia seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for maintaining a healthy heart. They help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, decreases bad cholesterol, and increases good cholesterol. Several studies suggest that regular consumption of omega-3s can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. By eating chia seeds daily, you are not just nourishing your body with these healthy fats, you are actively protecting your heart. So guys, let's jump into the next benefit, which is weight management. If you are looking to manage your weight, chia seeds could be an excellent addition to your diet. The combination of fiber and protein in chia seeds can help you feel fuller for longer period of time, reducing the urge to snack between meals. The gel-like substance that forms when chia seeds are soaked in water expands in your stomach, increasing feelings of satiety and making it easier to consume fewer calories overall. Studies have shown that high fiber diets are linked to lower body weight. So guys, incorporating chia seeds into your meals could be a simple and effective way to support your weight loss goals. Number fourth benefit is blood sugar regulation. Another significant benefit of chia seeds is their ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. The soluble fiber in chia seeds slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes or anyone looking to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. By including chia seeds in your diet, you are not just aiding nutrients, you are also helping your body manage glucose more effectively. Number fifth benefit is for bone health. Chia seeds are also a fantastic source of nutrients that support bone health. Just one serving provides 18% of your daily recommended intake of calcium, which is crucial for maintaining strong bones and teeth. They are also rich in phosphorus and magnesium, two other minerals that play a key role in bone health. For those who avoid dairy products, chia seeds are an excellent plant-based source of calcium, making them a great addition to your diet for maintaining, bone density and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. Number 6 benefit is antioxidants and anti-aging. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants, which are compounds that fight free radicals in your body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and disease like cancer. The antioxidants in chia seeds help neutralize these free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and slowing down aging process. Guys, regular consumption of chia seeds may help keep your skin looking, youthful and glowing by protecting it from damage caused by environmental factors like UV radiations and pollution. Number 7th benefit is enhanced energy and endurance. Did you know that chia seeds were traditionally used by Aztec and Mayan warriors to enhance endurance? These seeds are a potent source of sustained energy. The combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats in chia seeds provide a slow release of energy, making them a great pre-workout snack. Whether you are hitting the gym, going for a run, or just need a midday pick-me-up, chia seeds can help keep your energy levels stable and your stamina high throughout the day. So guys, here's a question: how can you incorporate chia seeds into your daily routine? The good news is chia seeds are incredibly versatile. You can add them to smoothies, sprinkle them over yogurt or oatmeal, mix them into salad dressings, or even make chia pudding. They have a mild flavor, so they will not overpower your dishes. Plus, they can be used as an egg substitute in baking. Just mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water and let it sit until it forms a gel. Whether you prefer them raw, soaked, or ground, chia seeds can easily become a staple in your diet. Now guys, let's discuss some potential downsides and considerations. While chia seeds are incredibly beneficial, it's important to consume them in moderation. Because they are so high in fiber, eating too many chia seeds too quickly can lead to digestive discomfort such as bloating or gas, especially if you are not used to a high fiber diet. It's also crucial to stay hydrated, as chia seeds absorbs lots and lots of water. If you have a history of digestive issues, it's a good idea to start with a smaller amount and gradually increase your intake. Additionally, if you are on blood thinners or other medications, you should consult your doctor before adding large amounts of chia seeds to your diet, as they could potentially interact with your medications. So guys, if you like this video, do not forget to like, subscribe and share, and comments below. Thanks a lot.